Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here's an email from an employee to another team member. Dear Anil, you had requested for the renewal of your credit card 808-000-123. You have an outstanding of Rs 9,999, 30th May. This is towards the last EMI payment of your laptop. You were expected to pay this amount 30th June. However, you have not paid the pending amount. I understand there is some issue that needs to be resolved. You have been banking with us nearly 5 years. So, I would like to understand and resolve this issue. You can meet me at the branch. I request you to come 11 a.m. tomorrow. If you cannot come tomorrow, you can come Thursday. Thanks, Gayatri. Did you notice that not adding some words will confuse the reader? To complete the sentences with the correct word, in this video, we will learn about prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are used to talk about a specific time period. For example, a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Let's take a look at a few common prepositions of time and how to use them. Use in to talk about weeks, months, years, and long periods of time. For example, I will go to college in 2 weeks, or she was born in 2015. Use on to talk about the days of the week and dates to show when something specific happened. For example, we go to the head office on Monday, or the audit was completed on March 30th. Use at to talk about the exact time of the day. For example, we can meet at 10:30 a.m. or I complete my shift at 10 p.m. After is used to talk about an activity which will be completed following another activity. For example, I will call you after work, or they begin work after banking hours. Never end a sentence with after. Use later at the end of the sentence if you do not want to give the caller a specific time. For example, I will call you later. Use later and add a word about time like day, week, month, or year to talk about an unspecified time in the future. For example, I will finish the project later this week, or we will go on vacation later this year. Use by for one specific event that will happen before a certain time in the future. For example, share the report by Monday or deliver the parcel by 1 p.m. Use until for an event that will continue and then stop at a certain time in the future. For example, he is in Mumbai until the 30th, or they will fast until sunset. To talk about two separate events that happen at different times in the same sentence, use from and to define the beginning and end of a time period. For example, the branch is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or the movie is from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Use from and till to talk about a specific point in time. For example, I studied Sanskrit from 2001 till 2004, or Sachin Tendulkar played cricket for India from 1989 till 2012. Use since to talk about a specific point in time. For example, I have waited since 10 a.m. or we have lived here since 2008. Now that you know how to use prepositions of time in different situations, let us look at the email sent by the bank employee and correct it. You have an outstanding of Rs 9,999 since 30th May. You want the customer to pay by 30th June. You have been banking with us for nearly 5 years. I request you to come at 11 a.m. tomorrow. If you cannot come tomorrow, you can come on Thursday. We hope you have now understood how to avoid errors related to prepositions of time in your work emails.